In this video, I'm going to show you how to export animation in FireAlpaca. Now to do this, first you want to create your animation. I have a super simple one over here, and then when you're done, you want to go to the top left and click on File, and you want to go to Export Animation. Now here you have three options. You could either export as an animated GIF, you could export as a PNG, or export as MP4. So first we're going to go over the GIF over here, so I'm going to click on it, and then from here you simply want to select the GIF, and you want to give it a name, and you want to select where you want to save this. So I'm going to name this one GIF sample like this, and I'm going to click on save. Now over here you want to select the FPS, and then you want to select if it's an infinite loop or not, and you could also make the background transparent, then click on OK. Whenever you do this, it's going to export onto your computer. Okay, so if I open this up for you right now, there we go. It's quite a weird animation, but still you get the point. It's exactly what I exported, and it's a GIF. If I go to File and then do Export Animation as a PNG, that's also going to work. You have to select where you want to export this. I'm going to name this one a PNG sample like this, and then I'm going to click on Save. Again, the same thing is going to pop up. You have to select it and then click on OK, and there we go. It's going to export as well, and it's going to be like an APNG. Okay, so it's going to be basically an APNG format. And then you have the third option, which is File, and then over here Export Animation. This is MP4. Likely most of you are going to be using this one over here, so I'm going to set the file name to MP4 sample, for example. Of course, by the way, you can name these whatever, and you want to click on Save. Now you want to select this, and then here you can do how many megabits per second you want. I'm going to click on 3, click OK, and there we go. It's going to export as an MP4 file, okay, which I'm going to show you in a second when it's going to load over here. There we go. Okay, so that's essentially all you have to do. Now in my case, of course, it was a short animation, but if it's a longer one, it's going to maybe take you a bit longer to actually export. But I do think the best ways to export it is either using MP4 or a GIF format. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.